Explore our curated selection of top-notch fitness equipment, supplements, and activewear at www.getmybodyrighttoday.fit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: metabolism. It's one of those things we all talk about when we're sipping coffee or, let's be real, complaining about our sluggish mornings. So here's a question for you. Did you know that certain surprising foods can actually boost your metabolism? Yeah, that's right. Not just your ordinary apples and bananas, but foods you might not expect. Today, I'm going to spill the beans on 5 unexpected foods that can turn your metabolism up a notch. Trust me, some of these might catch you off guard. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with anyone you know who's on a health kick. Let's spread the love and the knowledge. First up, we have green tea. Now, you might think this one's cliché, but hear me out. The secret behind this drink is catechin's funny word, right? These little compounds are known for their metabolism-boosting mojo. Seriously, they give your metabolism a nice little speed bump. Next on the list, chili peppers. Whether you love or hate spicy food, these fiery little guys contain capsaicin, which gives your metabolism a hot kick. Capsaicin is what makes peppers spicy, and it also revs up your calorie burning. Moving on, let's talk about lentils. Ever thought of them as your metabolism's best friend? Well, they're packed with protein, which means they take more energy for your body to digest. That's right, you're burning calories by eating them. Okay, almonds are next. These crunchy little snacks are filled with healthy fats, and incorporating them into your diet can help kick your metabolism into gear. Just remember, it's all about balance, so don't go nutty. Last but not least, we've got berries. These tasty gems are packed with antioxidants and fiber. Not only do they support your metabolism, but they also taste fantastic. You can throw them in smoothies, top your yogurt, or eat them straight. So, how can you get more of these metabolism boosters into your day? It's simple. Start your morning with a green tea, sprinkle almonds on your cereal, add chili peppers to your lunch, pop berries as snacks, and cook up a hearty lentil soup for dinner. So there you have it. 5 surprising foods that can give your metabolism the boost it might need. Who knew spicing things up with chili or crunching on some almonds could make such a difference? Personally, my go-to is a berry smoothie in the morning. It's like waking up to a hug in a cup. I've been adding more of these goodies into my meals, and I've definitely noticed a difference in my energy levels. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite metabolism-boosting food or any of these 5 that surprised you. Let's get chatting. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips and insights, make sure you subscribe to my channel. We've got a ton more coming your way. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Remember, every small change can lead to big results. Stay awesome, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.